Kamusta mga people? Rain comes out with a new song for I Love You, Panda. Let's get right into it. I never knew this was coming. This is probably for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. Lego. I love you, Panda. In 3, 2, 1, Mao. What the hell is Mao? Oh, that's it. Oh, it's his house. Look at Rain. This concert, I guess. So I'm guessing this is like a montage of sorts. Ooh, look at him biting his lip. Like, Annyeong. He still looks so young though. Jeez, can't believe he's 30, 31, 30. Shoot. Diamond. What are they eating there? Is that kimbap? Looks like a crazy man there. Sounds like a sexy song. Ooh, American screen. I mean, whoa. He just got shoved over there. Ooh, I like his shirt. Filling up cream pastries. Enjoying that a little too much. Oh. 30 seconds. Brushing. Multitasking at its finest. Oh, there you go, Rain without a shirt. His body used to be bigger though, but still good enough. Whoosh. I like how it's like all of his like past recent videos. Oh, this when the dog pooped. Oh, it's okay, doggy. Oh, he pooped. Ow. Oh. Hey, puppy. Can't get the hair wet, you know? It looks like a preppy hair. Preppy! Oh, with the hair clip. Makeup me. Oh. Oh, I just saw him lifting a shirt there. Kind of reminds me of like Boys to Men kind of music. Gotta keep that skin healthy. Whoa. Jesus Christ. See, he's not afraid of showing himself without makeup on. Like the pure Rain right there. And those eye bags comes from stress. It's crazy though, it's like pow. I have them too, kind of. There you go, watching himself. Oh, what is this? Oh, family? Oh. Who's that? Someone passed away in his family? Oh. 사랑합니다. No. Is it 사랑합니다? Yes. Oh. Valentine's, I love you. 사랑합니다, Panda. That really sounded like a very heartfelt song. Really reminded me of Boys to Men, like all their old school, like can't even think of what their songs are right now. End of the road kind of thing. I like how it's production, how it's behind the scenes, the real Rain like just being himself. And it's not like him dressed up again. It's more like what what the hell's the group's name? It's like what A-Pink did with that photo shoot thing. I like this one better because it's a lot more. Rain's like downtime and him chilling, relaxing after a set, a shoot. Very nice. I like it. Perfect for Valentine's Day. 사랑합니다. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like the video, favorite, subscribe, and share. Till the next reaction video, E.J.A.X. It's a natural. You belong to me. I belong to you.